to at 44 years old. Why am I whispering? Because it's a secret. Apparently, nobody's talking about it. This is the most effective way to depuff your face in the morning and give it a natural rested glow. My name is Oksana. I'm a natural wellness coach and a registered nurse. On my channel, I teach people how to heal their body with food and all things natural. And today I look the way I do because I'm about to share with you my favorite natural beauty morning routine, which makes all the difference once you hit 35 plus. So if this is something that resonates with you, hit the subscribe button and like this video so we can start healing naturally together. You see, natural beauty is about consistency. Without expensive products, gadgets, or fillers or injections, I start with about half a teaspoon of oil and warm it up in my hands. Then I apply it all over my face, neck, and chest. First, starting at the center of my forehead and gently sweeping outward, just like this. This helps relax the frown muscles that are usually unintentionally overworked during our sleep. Next, I move into lymphatic drainage, always starting midline and moving outward. Just 5 to 10 light stroke is enough to start softening tension and smoothing the skin almost immediately. You want to be especially careful around the eyes, gliding from the inner corner out to the temple. No tension, very gently. This helps to release fascia and reduce puffiness and support circulation under the eyes, which can really brighten the whole face. The oil I'm using penetrates deeply. I can literally feel my lymph flow the moment it sinks in. I follow the midline outward, then finish each stroke with a gentle flick or release. That little flick helps guide excess fluid out of the face and towards the body's natural drainage points. Repeat the same type of motion around the cheekbones, jawline, neck. Everything is moving out and down. This technique works with your lymphatic system, helping your body eliminate toxins, reduce facial bloating, and even improve skin clarity over time. The oil I'm using makes a huge difference. It's naturally anti-aging, antimicrobial, helps with skin elasticity, and leaves the skin feeling incredibly soft but not greasy. It actually supports lymphatic flow from beneath the skin and enhances the glide so you're never pulling or tugging on the skin. You can usually see and feel the results right away. Face looks more lifted, more even, and just more awake. And the more consistently we do it, the longer those results last. It's one of the simplest ways to support healthy, glowing skin at any age. That's it. As simple as that. And now just walk around, do your business, drink your coffee, let the oil soak in. It's going to make your skin super hydrated. If you're putting makeup on in the morning, it's going to prep the skin beautifully. If not, by the time you leave the house, this is all going to be gone. All this glowiness is going to be gone. But you can literally feel the lymph draining. And you see, in 15 minutes, your face is going to look so much different. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot the most important part. I know you're going to want to know what type of oil I'm using. Black Jamaican castor oil. And this particular brand, I absolutely love. I've done a lot of research. This is a solid company. I will drop the link below this video. I would not go for any other company unless you do a deep research. Lots of counterfeit on Amazon, believe it or not. I did not know about this either. But this Black Jamaican castor oil is much better for your skin as opposed to regular castor oil, which is also fantastic. Well, if you want to know the breakdown of all the benefits for the skin and for the body, I can do a separate video. Well, comment the word castor oil below this video, and I'll make sure to make it happen.